How to get refund on Temu without returning. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to get refund on Temu without returning. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. In order to make a refund on Temu without returning, go ahead and firstly take a brief look at the Temu return policy and see if you meet the requirements. Temu offers refunds without requiring you to return the item in certain situations. Situations such as damaged or defective items. If the item you received is damaged or defective, you can request a refund without returning it. You will need to provide photo or video evidence of the damaged or defect product. Next, if you receive a wrong item. So if you have received an incorrect item, you can request a refund without returning it. And lastly, missing items. If your order is missing items, you can request a refund for the missing items without returning them. Now, to request a refund, go ahead and open the Temu application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And now tap on the U option on the bottom center of your screen. You will then see the headphones-like icon on the top right. Tap on that. You will be led to the Temu's customer support. Tap on the Contact Us option you see there. Now in the text box you see, type in your query, that is, can I get a refund? Temu will then show you your orders and ask you for the product that you are seeking refund for, and will further show you the options for the reason you are seeking a refund. Choose the reason for your refund request, example, damaged or defective item, wrong item received, missing items. Next, provide photo or video evidence of the issue if applicable, and finally submit your refund request. Temu will review your request and issue a refund if it meets the criteria for a refund without return. Also, take note that refunds without returns are typically processed within 48 hours. Next, Temu may require you to return the item in some cases, even if it meets the criteria for a refund without return. And lastly, if you have any questions or concerns, you can contact Temu customer service for assistance. So this is how you can request a refund on Temu without returning it. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.